Okay guys, just another plant update. We can see here the tomatoes that I've transplanted. They've been growing wild, growing pretty strong the last days of summer. And you can see here the sunflowers that I've planted are developing some buds. So happy about this. The butterflies came here every day. I think almost every one of them has buds already. Yeah. The aloe vera that I have been growing wild, and I want you guys to see this one. Oh my god, this is the first time that I've seen something like this. I think it's a cucumber. No, yeah, it's a cucumber. And you can see how the developing fruits are. That's the developing roots. And look at this big sunflower right here. She's about to bloom. So happy. And right here, the jalapenos, pretty green. Right here, the cherry tomatoes, still kicking in. Some tomats. They're not stopping, yo. They're like, I'm gonna make some tomats. See? Harvest time. We got some more tomats here. I want to take. So gotta get the fruits. Alright guys. Pieces of red love. That's it for now. Okay guys. Just a quick house plant tour. I wanted to show you how beautiful this string of hearts. They're blooming again. I think for like the 10th time already. I'm so happy because this plant is so healthy, and it had been blooming for like ever since I got her. And you can see how many transplants that I have had. You see this one? That's from her. And this one also. This guy's right here. See? Ready to put in the soil. Just waiting for the pots. Right guys. So sooner I'm gonna be making house plants vlog, because all of the plants is gonna die outside, so I'm moving everything inside. So you guys should look after that. Look at this bloom. Hi guys. So I know some of you guys would be probably wondering, how does a garden look like after like fall? Or I mean, this is just like an update of what happened to my garden since it's already fall. As you guys know, we have 4 seasons here. So yeah, all the tomatoes, they start drying out. But we're gonna have our last harvest. Look at that. I've been dying to do this for the longest time, but I've had so much things going on, and I've been doing a lot of stuff. So yeah, this is just like This is the last harvest. Ultimately, I was gonna do but yeah, so after summer and all that, it's gonna look like this. Everything is gonna start drying out. I've researched some of the plants that I can plant for fall, but I haven't had seeds of it. So some of the plants that I can plant during this season are like chives, horseradish. Ultimately, those plants like that, those plants that thrive in cold weather. So yeah. So after the plant dries out, the harvest is gonna be still there. Luckily, these plants thrive. The jalapenos that I planted, they thrive. On this side is a lot, but I'm gonna try to get them all right now, so I don't have to get it soon. I'm just waiting for these plants to dry out, and I'm gonna start putting some of my plants inside. I have to replant everything and make sure that I could get something out of it. So yeah, I'm just gonna harvest all of this. So yeah guys, I think this is probably gonna be the last. Yeah, this is gonna be the last harvest. You can see it's a lot. Harvest moon. This is gonna be the last harvest for summer, since summer is officially over. And I just want you guys to see what I did outside, because I did some changes. I cleaned up everything. I cleaned up the tomato ring, and this is going to trash. Basically, I cleaned up everything because I'm planning to plant more seeds, but the seeds has yet to be known, since I don't know yet the best seeds to plant during fall. I've heard it's like chives, spinach, things like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna plant on this small pots. And this one, I cleaned everything that's died anymore. So yeah, cheers to another new season.